Yeah.
Oh. And then this pops up and then this start.
Just picked up this absolute beast. It's a 12-inch wood chipper, renting it for a week. We have a huge, massive tree job. We're starting on Monday. And a lot of trees we got to take down and branches we got to mulch up. And I'm going to try to sell the mulch, hopefully. And then the logs keep in like 12-foot sections and sell them as firewood or something. There's some chestnut, a whole bunch of good wood, but we'll be starting that Monday, as well as a house painting job. So it's going to be a pretty exciting week.